The USA Cheetah and the UK horse are ready to race. The crowd is cheering. This is the Animal Race Challenge, and the race has begun. The cheetah takes off fast. The horse is right behind. Who will win the gold?
And they are neck and neck coming down to the finish line, folks.
They're neck and neck. The finish line is just ahead. The cheetah makes a final sprint, and Team USA wins the race. The crowd goes wild as the gold medal goes to the cheetah.